Good morning, neighbors! So, it's Thursday and it's December 11th. I'm gonna start vlogging again in a way. I woke up an hour ago already, so just already ready. And then I just mop Milo's business in the toilet. But luckily, sa toilet siya pupupo at siya ka nag-ano. Good morning! Good morning, Kimba! Good morning, Milo! It's milk time! So, it's milk time, guys. So, this is their milk. It's lactose free. So, milk! Look! Milk! So, anyway, I'll just gonna put this one here kasi ano. Yum! What's wrong in your nose? Milo, what's in your nose?
What is it?
It's a rubbish.
Milk!
Milk! Yeah, she's already sitting politely. I'm gonna brush your hair quick.
Yeah.
That's for Milo and this is for Kimba. Time!
Okay, Milo, sit. Sit down.
She's a good girl.
No, Kimba. No.
No, bring Kimba there.
No. Kimba. Yeah, that's the tricky part. You gotta get the animal.
Put Kimba here. Milo, she's pretty good. Kimba, she's a little bit...
He.
He. Yeah. I'm gonna wipe the mist there. And
Oh,
this
Milo.
is our elf, the Shelp the elf.
I feel like we should name her Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
That's Daniel. Oh.
What is this?
Wipe properly.
I did.
It's gone already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So mag-ano tayo ng pagkain nila. Oh, where's their food here?
Oh my God! Look, it's
Pala
Santa.
yung ginawa ko the other day.
Mom, show them Santa.
Yeah. So we're gonna drop Brianna to school. And then, anong tawag nito? Pupunta ako sa bakery. Santa! Milo is coming! So, drop na namin si Brianna sa school. Late na siya, guys. Pero, that's alright. And Milo's coming with us, with
She always
Sissy.
She always looks
Milo.
out the window.
Hello!
Let me just put on my seatbelt.
Yeah, seatbelt first, Sissy. So, yeah, I'll see you there, guys. Mag-drive na ako.
We are here at your destination. Okay, bye guys. I have to go
there.
Okay, Milo.
Milo is just...
Milo.
She's
Milo.
gonna be sad. Come on, just bring her to me. Get her bag. Go get your bag. Get your bag.
No, Milo is so sad. But I have to go.
Yeah.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you.
Bye, Milo.
Bye. Close the door.
Bye, baby. Oh, I know. Bye.
Yeah, because you're already late. Bye, Sissy. So, ayun, natin na namin si Brianna, guys. Punta na ako ng bakery. Someone's so sad. Kawawa naman. Oh, kawawa naman. I know, Sissy. Sad na siya, guys. Okay, let's go na. So, we're here in the bakery na, guys. So, bibili muna tayo ng mga loaf bread. Nandito na tayo sa bakery, guys. So, we got our bread, guys. Woolies bag nga lang. Hi, Milo. She's a good girl. Hello, just like that. We're going to the Woolies quick, okay? Ako sa Woolies. Kukuha lang ako ng hammer. Bilisan lang ako kasi si Milo, iwan ko lang siya sa car. Ka-open naman yung door. So, yeah. So, we're here at Woolies now, guys. I'm just gonna get some bread. Ham. So, ham lang talaga yung kukunin natin. Tingnan natin kung ham lang ba talaga. Alam mo na. Realize I need cream. Thick cream. So, ano lang siya? $2.50. Kapunin na rin natin ito, guys. Yung ham na sabi ni Brian. Nasaan kaya yun? So, ayan, nakita na natin yung ham ni Brian, guys. This is the ham. So, tayo na kasi yung ham natin. Nagiging 4. So, ripens. Guys, so, nandito na kami sa bahay. Nandito kami sa baba ngayon. So, karating na kami. Anyway, so ayun nga, sabi ko yung bibilhin ko lang is ham. So, ang nangyari, nagpabili pa si Bana ng kamatis, tsaka cream. Bumila ko ng cream kasi gagawa tayo ng dessert. At tsaka ito yung ham na gusto niya. So, ayan, bumili ako ng ham. Yan lang talaga yung ano ko. Pero, pabili na rin tayo ng ito. Kasi, on special siya. Yung half lang kasi kailangan lang natin ng half para ano natin sa dessert natin. So, gagawa tayo ng melon dessert. Basta dessert. Lalagyan. I-mix din natin. Mayroon ako yung avocado sa taas at saka mangga. So, gagawa tayo mamaya. So, ito pala yung bread. Ito, ano ba to? Bakery bread. So, mas gusto ni Habi ng bakery bread kaysa yung sa Woolies bread. Mas mahal nga to pero mas fresh naman siya. Tsaka mas ano siya. Mas masarap. So, ayun lang. So, ayun na si Milo. Papaanuhin ko muna siya. Papupuin ko muna siya. Papupupin mo muna natin siya. Kasi kung kailan yan aakyat, doon na naman magpupupup at magpipipip sa ano namin, sa bathroom. So, tinitrain pa namin siya kasi lagi siyang accident. So, ayan. Come on. Come on. Iwak-wak-wak ko lang siya, guys. So, ito pala yung ano ko. Yung garden ko dito, guys. Flex ko lang. Sorry, madamo. Hindi pa kami nagmumuwi. So, ito na yung ano ko. Kangkong ko. So, yung tinanim namin, tinanim ko yun as in, parang akala mo mamatay, parang stick lang. Pero ngayon nagdadahon na. And then, here's my talong yan. Yan, lumaki-laki naman sila. So, nagdagan ko lang siya ng tae ng kabayo. Horse manure. So, binili pala namin yan dito, guys. Hindi yan libre. So, ito, yung aking okra, para siyang kasi nilipat ko kasi siya. Dito, doon kasi yan. So, ayan, para siyang sana hindi siya kasi yung niya, yung roots niya. But ito, laki na ng dahon. Tsaka yun yung ating kamote. Yan, makakapag na tayo nito. Mataba-taba na sila. Tsaka ito, marami ng dahon. Diba, marami na siyang dahon. So, ayun lang, magtanim-tanim tayo, guys, kahit nandito na tayo sa ito yung isang galing to kay Neighbor Rim. Ayan, shout out kay Ate Mildred. So, ayan lang. At saka yung tanglad natin buhay. Tapos yung mga manok. Yung mga manok natin. Hello, chicken! May manok din kami dito, guys. At saka, check natin yung itlog. Kainin natin sila. Hi! So, hi guys. Ayan pala na. I-mix ko na yung ating fruits. So, ito na yung melon. At saka, mango. And avocado. So, tatlong ano lang siya. Tatlong anong tawag nito? Fruits lang. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung thick cream. So, yun na naman yung mga alaga ko naglalaro po yan sila, guys. Ayan. Yan. Lalaro yan sila. Hello! Hello, my love! Ano ba to? Ay, yung chewy yan eh. Ano, Milo? Gusto niya yung chewy niya. Kimba! Kimba! Inipiplex ko lang yung anak ko ang sipag. Ano kaya nakain ito? Ang sipag-sipag. Naghuhugas siya ng pinggan yung sarili mo lang. Hindi ko inuutosan yan, guys. Nauutosan na yan. Thank you! Ayan yung kinukunan siya ng camera. But I'm just so proud of you. You're very helpful to me. That's why I share to the world that my son is very helpful. And I should be proud of. Kasi nagagalit na. Nagagalit na kasi ayaw niyang binibidyohan siya. Anyway, nahihiya kasi siya, mahiyain. How's the sing? Is it nice? You like the new faucet?
Yeah.
So, ayan. May ano naman, guys. May dishwashing naman kami. Na-tidy up niya lang yung sink. So, ayan na. Bait ng anak ko. Ang swerte ng mapangasawa nito. Kaso, minsan may sabtik din. Diba? Pwede na. Ano pala to, guys? 14 pa yan. Pero ang tangkad niya, mas matangkad pa sa akin. So, yan lang.
Hey guys. No, hi neighbor.
Yeah. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello
neighbors.
Today,
We're going to the shop.
to get my teacher a present.
Okay.
The reason why I wanted pay $2.
$2. Okay. See if you're lucky or not. Where do you think?
This one. Oh. Doesn't work? Can we try again, please? You have $1 in your
No more.
car, and it's
All good.
here. I don't want to hold it anymore.
Yeah. How about this one? Is it fit? So Brianna's making a gift for her teacher. It's a big S.
And then we're gonna decorate it with sea stuff because she told the class that I overheard that next year her class will be sea theme.
Turned out pretty nice. Have a look.
Yeah.
Just watch, there's a paint on there. So this is what we made. All done. Well done, Brianna. So all we need is to
Let it dry
let
until
it
the
dry
next day.
until tomorrow.
I really hope the glue will stay.
Yeah. So hi guys, good evening. So kakarating ko lang galing sa work. Hindi pa rin namin na-fix. Umulan pala ng malakas. Rinig nyo guys. Ayan, maulan sa labas. So, kakarating ko lang galing sa work. So, buti na lang pagdating ko dito, ano na, hindi pa umulan. So, ayun lang. So, i-end ko lang yung vlog for today, guys. So, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in my next one anyway. Good night, and don't forget to be grateful every day. Every day is a blessing. And have a great day. Salamat kaayo sa pagsuporta. Bye!